If you are fans of James Bond movies, you probably noticed that he mostly used some tools and devices which help him with his mission. On today's video, we have listed some best James Bond gadgets. Bond might have used a standard Geiger counter in Dr. No, but this black leather attaché case is the first real gadget inspired from the film. This attaché case is packed with 20 rounds of ammo, 50 gold sovereigns, a knife, an AR-7 folding sniper's rifle with infrared sights, and a tin of talcum powder packed with tear gas. This vehicle is probably the greatest gadget that Bond used on the movie. The passenger ejector seat is a design classic, but other road-ruling extras include tire slashers, hydraulic rims, front-loaded machine guns, revolving license plates, bulletproof shield, oil jets, and an onboard radar for tracking enemy movement cross-country. This mini breathing device was probably inspired from one of the Bond's films called Thunderball. The movie shows Bond has to be underwater for quite a long period of time while doing some scenes. The scenes also shows people that Bond used a tool that allows him to breathe for up to 4 minutes. The British Navy were so impressed that they asked the filmmakers for the tool, only to be told it was a non-functioning prop. This rocket-firing cigarette will remind most of us with one of Bond's movies where he joined a ninja training facility and where we're gonna see this cigarette launching a tiny explosive missile at speed. This finger clamp was concealed inside Bond's jacket. This finger clamp is essentially a mousetrap to prevent anyone who are bold enough to try and remove Bond's pistol from his shoulder holster. This Rolex Submariner 5513 that Bond used on one of his movies could generate a magnetic field that is able deflecting a bullet at long range and unzipping a dress in a clinch. There is also a miniature buzzsaw built into its bezel that will give Bond's opponent a perfect cut upon their death. On one of Bond's movies, the master assassin Francisco Scaramanga can be seen assembles his custom-built gold-plated 4.2 caliber pistol from an ingenious collection of parts. The handle is covered as a cigarette case, the bullet chamber as a lighter, the barrel as a fountain pen, a trigger as a cufflink. His signature golden bullet that he hides in his belt is the only thing he needs when he wanna kill someone. This watch from Seiko was probably inspired from James Bond scenes in Live and Let Die and The Spy Who Loved Me. In the movies, Bond was seen carrying a personal messaging device that spews a strip of ticker tape, informing him that world-saving duty awaits.